Sora 2 just dropped, and believe me, this is not just another basic AI update. This thing is a full-blown creative weapon. People are already pumping out insane AI videos. Sam Altman dressed like a Pokemon trainer holding a lightsaber in the rain on a rooftop somewhere that looks like Tokyo meets Blade Runner. Yeah, it's weird and incredible, but there's a catch. It's geo-locked, beta only, invite only, basically hidden behind velvet ropes and underground handshakes like it's some secret launch from Silicon Valley's inner circle. But here's the thing, I figured it out. By the end of this video, you won't just know how to access Sora 2 from anywhere in the world. You'll be using it like a pro, generating unlimited content while everyone else is stuck refreshing forums for access. Let's not waste time. Here's how to break in. Concept framing, picture this. You wake up tomorrow, open your notifications, and realize your latest AI video just went viral. Comments flying in, shares going through the roof, all because you gave the right idea to the right tool.
Not those lips, make them look good and dry. There we go. Doesn't take much. Just a whisper of white and it shines right up. And maybe a happy highlight here on the hood while we're at it.
Because you sat up editing for 7 hours, or learning masking in After Effects. Because Sora 2 handled it for you. It builds the shots, it syncs the sound, it even adds overlays, effects, camera movements, everything. It's like having your own post-production team locked in a laptop. But OpenAI didn't exactly make this available to everyone. Right now, Sora 2 is in very limited testing, and most people can't even see the real site. Here's what you're up against. You need to be in the US or Canada. You need an active invite code. You need to know how to use that code without tripping system blocks. The messed up part? Most creators don't even know where to start. But I'm going to walk you through every single step. Doesn't matter if you're watching this from Europe, Asia, Australia. This method works anywhere. Let's start with the biggest block. Step 1. Location bypass. Sora 2 uses location data to decide who gets in. If your IP is not from North America, you're getting that friendly little error that says, Sora is currently unavailable in your region. That's their nice way of saying, go away. But we don't do go away. Here's the fix. Download a premium VPN. If you're thinking free VPN, don't. They're slow, they get flagged, or worse, they straight up crash the page. I tried 5. The only one that just worked without breaking stuff was NVPN. Not sponsored, just being honest. Set your location to San Francisco. Don't pick random cities or small towns. Stick to metro hubs where OpenAI's infrastructure actually talks to their services smoothly. Refresh the Sora homepage. If it loads the real portal instead of some generic placeholder, you're in. That's the first wall down. Let's keep going.
.net away. Here's what to do. Go to the link in the video description, soraaivideo.net. Click login. Continue with your email. Pick your
Step 2, getting your invite code. Now comes the trickier part, getting the actual key that opens everything up. Invite codes are like golden tickets right now. You can't buy them, you can't earn them. OpenAI isn't just emailing them out to anyone who asks nicely, but they're out there, and there are 3 solid ways to get one. I tested them all. Option A, OpenAI's Discord. Join the official Discord, head to the hashtag Sora Invites channel. Every couple hours, you'll see users dropping codes. These go fast, like seconds fast. If you're just sitting there watching, you'll lose every time. Set up Discord ping notifications for any mention of code or a 6-character string. That's how you even have a shot. Option B, invite trees. This one's working really well right now. When someone gets access to Sora 2, they receive a few extra invites to give away. Most of them don't want to waste it, so they create invite trees. One person gets in, invites 4. Those 4 each invite 4 more. You get it. Reddit, Telegram, Threads, you'll find these all over. You've just got to monitor the right keywords and be first to reply when a slot opens. Option C, comment loops. I know this might sound obvious, but I mean it. Check the comments on this video. People who get in will start sharing their codes, either as a flex or as a way to contribute to the community. You'll sometimes see stuff like, got in, here are my 3 invites. First come, first served. If you get access, return the favor. That's how this stays moving. Now, when you do land an invite code, this next part matters. VPN must be on use incognito or private browser mode. Visit the official Sora site, the one that loads after the location block is gone. Paste the invite, fill out your profile, and boom, you're inside. Welcome to the playground. Contrast framing? Let's stop for a second and put this in context. A year ago, we were paying monthly for tools that barely lip-synced, took hours to render, and only gave you 480p grainy animations. Now, you type a phrase, and 20 seconds later, you've got cinematic level meme content that looks straight out of a Netflix pitch deck. And that's not even the full story. Sora 2 introduced something that flips the whole content game, remix mode. Someone else posts a viral banger. You hit remix, tweak the prompt, add your own twist. You just made a brand new piece, built off someone else's momentum. High engagement, low effort, the platform rewards it. You show up in feeds faster, more visibility, less grind. It's like TikTok's duet system, but AI-powered, face-animated, and creative to the point of insanity. Demo section. When I got in, the first things I created were ridiculous. I had Sam Altman screaming, "Give me my GPUs," while dressed as Pikachu in the middle of Times Square. I made Elon Musk rap old Kanye verses during an anime fight scene. Turned a random dog into a Game of Thrones character with a baked potato crown. None of it made sense. All of it performed. That's the thing. Sora 2 isn't built for corporate productivity. It's made to trigger dopamine. This is Meme Engine 2.0. You play with it the way you'd play with fire in a sandbox. The mobile app situation, quick heads up. If you're trying to use Sora 2 on mobile, here's the situation. Desktop works fine with VPN. Mobile, not so easy. The app isn't available globally yet, only shows up in the US App Store. But there's a fix. On iPhone, create a new Apple ID region. United States, don't add payment info. Skip that use any US address. Seriously, just look one up. Log into App Store. Search for Sora. Download VPN must stay on. This way, your Apple ID and your IP both agree, and the app doesn't block the install. Once in, the app syncs with the desktop version and unlocks new stuff, face uploads, gestures, voice controls. That's where the fun really goes next level.
Whoa. Oh my God.
Censorship rules. Here's something people find out the hard way. Sora does have limits. It doesn't warn you. It just straight up refuses sometimes. You'll hit generate and nothing comes out. Here's what usually gets blocked. Hyper-realistic celebrities in weird situations, copyrighted fictional characters, Marvel, Star Wars, politicians, and memes, especially US ones, but it is inconsistent. You can't generate Will Smith eating spaghetti, but Pikachu doing ASMR still works. Minecraft characters, still in. Cartoon physics, totally fine. Just play it smart. Reword the prompt. Instead of saying Elon Musk, try tech billionaire in a cyber suit yelling about Mars. That usually slips through. Push from consumer to creator. Once you're inside, look, you can scroll all you want, but if you only scroll, you're missing the whole point. Sora 2 is built for input-output cycles. Creators get visibility. Scrollers just become part of the machine. Play the game right, remix trending videos. Layer in your own punchlines. Build a character using your cameo. Respond to trending topics before anyone else makes an AI version. Culture moves fast. Sora moves faster. Advanced remixing. Here's where things get spicy. Let's say you see a Sora video of a raccoon cooking ramen, while Travis Scott music plays in the background. It's getting attention. You hit remix. You change the prompt to Raccoon Chef teaching Gordon Ramsay how to flip noodles in zero gravity. Moody lighting, intense angles, synth music. Same bones, different skin. Higher reach. That's not just content, that's algorithm judo.
Oh, Andy plays with me. It's starting to hurt. I think I need to find someone else. We should go on an adventure.
From the same studio that brought you Toy Story.
Cameos as identity. Uploading your face doesn't mean you just show up once in a meme. Done right, you're building a character, an alter ego, a persona that lives across 30 different weird videos. Want to be a detective ghost who only speaks in Vine quotes? Want your AI face to be the mascot of AI cooking fails? That works too. People don't just scroll for the jokes. They scroll for the weird consistency. That's how you stand out. Making it all make money. This isn't just for fun. Here's how people are monetizing their Sora 2 access right now. Selling remixes as short ads, creating prompt packs and uploading them to Gumroad growing TikTok/Shorts channels with daily niche uploads. Licensing Sora content to creators who don't have access. Think beyond the meme. Think about speed. Think about leverage. The inevitable nerf. Now we gotta talk warnings. OpenAI always starts open, then tightens the grip. It's what happens with every beta launch ever. Don't be surprised if remix mode gets nerfed. Invite codes stop working. Real ID becomes mandatory. Geo-blocks expand free accounts hit a hard limit. Your goal right now, go wild while it's still wild. Archive your best clips, build a channel, screenshot your top prompts, save your weirdest cameos. This is the good old days, and before they disappear. Final frame, 1430. Let's zoom out one last time. 3 years ago, you needed thousands of dollars, a full team, actual gear, and time to even think about creating high-quality content. Now, you just need a good idea, just and a sentence. You got in, you unlocked it, you went around the blocks, you figured it out early. The only question now is, what are you going to make?